Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. For those of you who are newlyweds, all the way to those of you who've been married for years, sometimes there are instances where we don't want to wear our actual wedding rings or our bands. You may have to wash dishes, cook, laundry. There's so many different things where some people just don't want to wear their actual wedding bands. I have found the absolute best silicone wedding rings and they are beautiful. I love them so much. These rings are by Rinfit. That's R-I-N-F-I-T. They're perfect for literally everything. Although Rinfit did send me these rings, I do want to let you all know that this is an honest review and I did purchase my first batch of silicone rings from Rinfit. But I did want to say a special thank you to Rinfit for sending me even more with even more options. I cannot wait to wear these. So if you'd like to see more on these Rinfit rings, keep on watching. Here are the different colors and styles that they sent me. And I just want to quickly show you guys how I wear mine. So I'm going to take off my actual band and I'm going to replace it with one of the different styles. I love this cut. Also, the silicone is super high quality. I usually like to stack mine. So let's say I wanted to go with a purple, which is my favorite color, and then I wanted to go with one of the more stylish, like fancy looking ones. So I would just put that one on top and voila, super cute. Another style that they sent me that is super cute is this one, and I love that it's in black. So I'll just put that on for you and show you. So that's really cute. And I actually think this one would look nice with another color as well. So I would put what would be my band, and then let's say if I want to put the engagement ring or whatever back on, I would do it like that. So here's a white one. This is a different style. I love this one too. This one would be really cute with a different color. Let's add purple to that one. Or if you even wanted to get crazy and add other colors, you could do that. And that's the other thing I love about these rings is that they come in multiple different colors, different styles, just for everyone. So I'm actually gonna just go ahead and rock a couple of them for the rest of the day actually. So let's throw a purple, let's throw like a pretty teal, and then let's top it off with one of these. What looks like to me would be like a princess cut. Yeah, that's super cute. I love that. Love it so much. Once again, thank you so much to Rinfit for sending me these lovely silicone rings. I will leave all of their information in the description box of how you can get your own. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and until next time, bye!